Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to adjust the stem, remove the handlebar together with the stem. So what you're waiting? Let's go! So the first thing you have to do is unscrew the cap. Then you unscrew this. So this is the case you want to just twist the handlebar. Okay, once if like this, you want to save space to pack and you want to pack fast. When it's like this, you can already twist. So you just hold the wheel and you twist. Then what you have to do next is tighten the cap and tighten the side screw. That's all. Then you have the one what you were looking for. This is the result. So this is the case you want to pack fast, but in case you need to remove the stem from the fork, you do in another way. So if you want to remove just the handlebar, you just unscrew 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the screws of the stem. But first you remove the cap, like this. Then you unscrew this. Then you move up this one. Okay. And then this one will come straight away. Like this. And it's done. What I suggest to do is, when you pack, you put again back the cap. If you do like this, you don't miss anything, everything will be there. So this is the good way. So this is the final results. You see, you have the fork. So when you pack the bike to go on an airplane, you do this way. And you put the handlebar maybe here or whatever you want. But sometimes you don't need, you just need to remove the handlebar, not need to remove together with the stem, just if you want to save more space. If you need to remove the fork, you remove also this space here and you put down the fork, very easy, nothing difficult. From this situation, we have to go back to the previous situation. So, what we're gonna do is unscrew this one, take back this one, put back the stem, make sure the cable are passing on the right way. Okay, everything looks fine. You put the spacer, the top cap, tight. Not too much because you break the headset. So what you're gonna do is brake with the front brake and you check if the fork is moving. If the fork is shaking, this. Shake a lot, so stop it, don't go ahead. So if this one down here are screw it, just stop, unscrew it and then screw first this one. Always first this one. Screw it, tidy it. Okay, not too much. Then you check. Okay, it's okay. Then the next step is putting straight the handlebar. So you check the line between the stem and this tube, or eventually also the wheels is fine. So once you think is straight, the second choice is go with the body. Usually people do like this, move a little bit and that's all. Then you tighten again this. Then you tighten this, it wasn't tight. Alright, that's all. And then you bring down this. Finish. Very easy. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next one. Ciao ciao!